Hi, my name is Kwajo Boache. I'm a board member of West African Health Foundation. The foundation's main mission is to improve the healthcare delivery systems and the quality of life of the people in Ghana and beyond. In 2014, the foundation collaborated with the Urban Design Lab of Columbia University to design an eco-friendly green tertiary hospital. We are looking at the construction of the Eye Institute, which is the first phase of the tertiary hospital. The building has a huge outpatient area, 8 examination rooms, 2 operating rooms, a recovery room, an optical shop, a pharmacy, and an administrative area. You see, poverty causes blindness, and blindness causes poverty. Recent data in Ghana indicate that there are over 200,000 blind people and 300,000 individuals with severe visual impairment. Cataract and undercorrected refractive error, the 2 main causes of blindness, are reversible with targeted treatment. As you can see, the construction of the building is 70% complete. The foundation's goal is to raise $2.5 million to complete the construction of the building, purchase the required medical equipment, and be operational by September 2023. Please join us, support us, donate, and make the Eye Institute a reality. Together, we can improve the quality of lives of people in rural communities in Ghana and beyond. Thank you.